Okay. What was the strength today? 48. Maybe 55 people may come. I think so. Can we go with the new topics or can we look for the examples? Example program. Let me know in chat box because you will not open your mouth, right? Let's go with the previous examples or can we go with the new topics of NumPy? Because half of the students were absent. Guys, what can we go with? Can we go with NumPy or can we go with the previous like basic level programming? Anyone can tell me or else I'll be choosing what I want to teach. I'll be taking to my choice. I was giving you the choice like can I teach you NumPy or can I teach you the basic level programs? It's up to you. If you don't tell me within by 7:12, I'll be taking my choice. Four P5. Turn on your mic now. 4P5. ECD. Guys are really numb guys. No. Can I go with NumPy topics or can I go with the basic Python concepts? Coding concepts. Guys, are you hearing me? Okay, basic level programs. One is saying. Can I go with basic level programs? Raise your hands because you would never respond. Better you raise your hands. Okay. Basic level programs are okay, right? Okay then. I'll be going with basic level programs for today because strength also is very less. Right. Thanks. Thanks for your response. Put down your hands. Thanks. Because you will not respond every day, right? At least I got response. I'm happy for that. I'll be sharing my screen. Yesterday we have seen Armstrong number, right? Today we're gonna see where's the idea here? We know about displaying of calendar, right? And let's see for Fibonacci sequence. Have you heard about Fibonacci number? That's my question. Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence, have you know this kind of thing? This is one I'll show you. This is one of the question in last year IBM question paper. I mean IBM exam test, written test on Fibonacci sequence. Right. So let's see the code for this. What is Fibonacci sequence of Fibonacci series? Fibonacci sequence of Fibonacci series is said to be the number which we get by adding um, the previous numbers. Got it? Let's see the definition first. It specifies series of numbers F X number found or get adding numbers. Sorry, adding up the two numbers. Just before. Just before is nothing but two or three numbers. Most probably two. Here 0 and 1 will be the common numbers for everything. Those are the two numbers will be common in every sequence. Alright. So let's look at this example. What can we take? Let me take a Fibonacci series, that is zero, 2, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and plus 55. Okay, 143, no, 144, and so on. For example, I took this Fibonacci series of sequence of numbers, right? So by default we'll be taking 0 and 1. These are by default for every number, every series. And how did you guys did you got how we have added how we got Fibonacci sequence series 1? If I add, I don't have anything, right? So I took 2 plus 1 is 3, where 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. This is how we'll be getting Fibonacci number. These are mostly asked in even some aptitude reasoning questions also. Remember, in aptitude reasoning questions, they will be asking this kind of series. Even in some competitive exams in mathematics, they'll ask this kind of series. So try to listen it carefully. I think you got this. What I'm telling you, you got this point. And we say, and we say in mathematical terms, what we say, like what we call Fibonacci number or Fibonacci series, we'll be defining it with capital F and some n, that is f of n. By using this, that is like by using some suffix, we'll be writing some suffix as n to f. This is what the indication of Fibonacci number. Got it? So the Fibonacci sequence can be taken as Fn n equals to -1 plus f of n -2. This is how we will be using, we'll be giving the Fibonacci series. When it is some kind of reoccurrence relation, we'll be giving this kind of series. We'll be taking the common values as 0 and 1. Let's do this how we specify this Fibonacci series. We'll be doing with first with while loop. With the while loop. Let me see. I'll this time. For example, I don't need you guys in the class. Who wanna disturb? You can go out and you can do whatever you want. I don't need any kind of those guys in my class. I told you before. Why the hell I need you? Okay. For example, let's take n equals to I'm taking this n equals to int of input so we are writing this code to print a particular Fibonacci series. Got it? We are writing this code to print a particular Fibonacci series. Enter the number you want to print here. Print. Haven't closed it. We haven't closed it in bracket, right? Have. So now we are taking input from the user that how many numbers we want to print here. Like we want to print some numbers, right? So that numbers we are giving it an input. I'm not writing in the comment because I'm telling you directly. I'm not specifying any comments here because it takes lots of time. So let me take number 453. What was your problem, ma? I told you if you don't want to be in the class, just get out. I'm not here to bear you. If you are not interested, I just let you out. Again, you have joined. Simply I made you join because you are thinking that it may be happened unfortunately. But you are doing the same. When I was taking A equals to 0 and taking B equals to 1 and for taking some size sort of numbers to up to some extent we'll be using the function range, right? For I was writing in for loop for I in range writing it with 0 comma n. So now enter. Sorry. Now enter. Print a comma and That can be 1 or 2 or 3, anything. Got it? It might be 1 or 2 or 0, anything. A comma N. I have taken. Where C equals to A plus B. That is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, that kind of things. Like by using that numbers will be getting Fibonacci number, right? By adding two numbers. That's how it is. A equals to B, where B equals to this is what we write the basic code for. This is how we write the basic code to print some elements of Fibonacci series. Let me run this. Before running, I have to save it, right? Let's save. I have saved it. I want to print some sort of enter. You can see here it has printed without any commas, but you can find every number here. 16 numbers. Let's see, do we got in all 16 numbers or not? 0, 1, 12, sorry, 2, 3, 5, 12, so 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377, 610. Count it, you'll be getting 16. Got it? This is how we'll be writing this. We'll be executing this Fibonacci series. We'll be getting the Fibonacci series by using these kind of code. By using if else, not if else, if statement, we can write the code. Got it? Let's look into some other kind of coding. Or can I give you one more example for this? I'll take range as up to 10. Now let's run this. I want to print up to 6. You can see here I'll be getting 1, 12, 101, 12, 35, 81, 32, 13, and 4. Right. Next, let's go with one more example program. Do you want to know this, or you can take a screenshot? I'll be deleting it. I'll not send it for you again. All right. Any questions, guys? Have you understand this Fibonacci number? Have you got this concept? Okay, I'm deleting it.
మార్నింగ్ 9:30 ఉండాలా
ఎక్కడ
ఆఫీస్ కాదు మీ ఇంట్లో
నేను 9 కల్లా ఉంటా.
ఏంది ఎవరేమన్నారు బొమ్మ అట్లా మార్చుకొని చూస్తున్నావు ఏమైంది
Let's get into the one more concept, guys. By that topic we'll be ending the class today. After that topic, We haven't done on arrays, right, till now? Arrays programs. Let's go with an array program. I want to, like, which program can I go with? Reversing order of an array. We'll be seeing this program today. Reverse order of an array. So I want to print the numbers of array in reverse order. It was very simple, guys. So let's see. Reverse order of So let's see this. What is reversing order of array is nothing but how we can say that? It's nothing but just reversing the elements which we get. It is nothing but, how can I tell you? It's a sorting, some kind of sorting concept, guys. Got it? It's kind of reverse ordering of array is a kind of sorting concept. Let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. What we'll do is we'll be sorting it like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what we get. We'll be reversing these elements like this. For reversing, we'll be using a technique called sorting. Got it? First, what we do is we'll be declaring an array. I'll be writing the program. Initialize array equals to I'm taking array as 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7 or something. I'm taking like this. So I want to reverse these elements. So what I'm telling it, first I want original array to be printed. So I'm writing a print statement for this. Print original array. I want to print original array. Next, using for loop for I in range. I was giving it a range 0, comma, sorry, comma, length of array of array, that is shortcut array using these braces. Next, again I am writing a print statement for this. Print I want to print array of I. Was taking I, right? So I was for I in range we took some elements. So that list I want to print. So enter. Print array in reverse order. In reverse order. So now what I want, by looping will be getting the reverse order of an element. So I am writing a looping statement for this, where loop through the array in reverse for I in range where length of an array -1 comma -1 comma -1. We are reversing, right? -1 is the value we will be using for reversing the array. Print array of I. I want to print array of I. So let's run this. See here, we have given original arrays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We got reverse as 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it. Why? How we got it reverse is like it will be sorted one by one. It will be sorted by using some sorting techniques. It will be sorted. This is how we'll be writing the reverse order of an array. Even if we give 100 numbers also, it will be able to print that 100 numbers in sorting order. Got it. So now let's get into one more program. Guys, do you want to take screenshot? You can. Guys, are you getting me? Which programs we have seen today? One is reverse order and the other is Fibonacci series, right? Are you understanding these concepts? Guys, try to respond now. Raise your hand or give me a thumbs up. That's it. Or any reaction. Are you getting these concepts or any doubts? If any doubts, mention it on the question and answer box. You don't have doubts, you haven't understand, right? You have both. You will not have any doubts and you will not have any, like you will not understand anything, you will not have doubts. It's waste of time, right? Alright. Let's go with one more code. This will be the last. Alright. I'm sorry. Just wait a minute. Let's run one more code. Let's go with one more code. Which code will be going with? Let's go with matrix programming. It will be different, right? Not matrix programming. I have recently go through some competitive exam which is asking to write a program for happy number. Do you know what is happy number? It was asked in some sort of programming exam, that is not programming exam, one IT company exam, like it has asked me for written test and Accenture, I think. It's a happy number program. So let's write a program for happy finding the number. Okay. Writing the program for happy number. Right. So, what is an happy number? What is happy number according to you? Happy number programming, like a happy number program. Firstly, I'll be writing a definition for this. It looks little complicated, but it was very easy if you understand this concept. Let's try. A number is said to be happy if it returns or yields. Let's take yields. Okay, yields 1 replaced by the sum of squares of its digits. Repeatedly. What I'm saying is, a number is said to be a happy number if it yields 1 when replaced by the sum of squares of its digits repeatedly. If I replace, like if I take two numbers, that is 3 and 2, or 2 and 3, or 1 and 3. Okay, let me take 3 and 2. If I take 3 and 2, let me take 3 and happens here. What if I give a square for 3 and 2? Like 3 threes are 9, where 2 square is 4, right? What it gives us a number, like it gives 13, right? If we add both of the numbers, we'll be getting 30. So if we have 1 in that particular set of number, like 1, if we add, by adding we will get, if we get a number which starts or ends with 1, then it is said to be a happy number. Got it? We get one in one's place, then it is said to be the happy number, right? If the same thing we'll be repeating it for 4 times, we'll be changing it and we'll be repeating it for 4 times, right? Let me write this here. This process result endless cycle numbers containing 4. then the number will be unhappy got it. If this process results in an endless cycle of numbers containing 4, then that number will be an unhappy number. Let's understand particular example which I had told you before. Let me take 1 square plus, here I am unable to give the squaring, so I am not giving it. 1 square plus 2 square or 3, okay, 1 square plus 3 square. 1 square plus 2 square will be getting an unhappy number because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, right? We'll be getting 5. It is an unhappy number. 1 square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10. It's an happy number, right? Like we'll be getting 10, that is 1, which one's position consists of 1, then it is said to be happy number, right? Let me write a program for this. It is nothing but just what we give. Alright. Now let's go with happy number, where let's take, I'm so sorry, I'm defining variable, that is define def is happy number def is happy number where reminder will be m equals to sum equals to 0. Now I want to calculate the sum of squares of a particular digits. While using a while loop here, while number is greater than 0, then equals to number divided by 10. Percentile of 10. Sum. How I should get the sum? Sum equals to, sum is nothing but addition. Sum plus rem into rem. Number equals to num where I want to return get written as sum. I want to get sum to be written. Now number equals to number equals to some sort of 72. Result equals to num. 5 while result was using a while loop, while result equals to 1 and result equals to 4. I was telling it, if the result is equals to 1 and the result is equals to 4, then result equals to number that is the result. Now what I have to write some print statements, right? We have written all the code. Now we have to write some print statement. Happy number will be always ends with 1. According to our program, it ends with 1. If result is equals to 1, what I want to make it do, print string of num string of number plus to print it with string of number plus is a happy number. Is a happy is what I have to display. If it is ends with 1. Elif, you can see here we are using all the looping statements over here. Got it? Elif, result is double equals to 4, then I want to print the string number, copy paste it. As unhappy number. Unhappy number. Let's run this program. Invalid syntax. Now let's run. You can see 72 it has printed as unhappy number. Why? Because it is like we said, if it ends with 1 or 1, it should print happy number, right? Let me give some other number, that is 7. So let's run this. You can see here 11 is printed as happy number. If I write C1, let's run this. 21 is printed as happy number. But if I write 16, run this, we should check whether code is correct or not, right? We haven't printed anything because what we said, the ending numbers will be like, if ends with 1, then it should be printed as happy. If ends with 4, it should be printed as unhappy. Even which is not having any number which ends with 1, then it should be printed as unhappy. So this is what we get. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take and you can leave the class. This is all for today. Okay, done. Guys, you can leave the class. Do you have any doubts? No more doubts, right? Okay, I'm leaving the class.